Active stocks for Wednesday, the 10th of December 2025. We have BBAI, BEAT, NVDA, IRBT, and WBD. So BBAI lost a modest 1.49%. Volume was below average. Volatility is expected to moderate in the coming days. Let's see what option traders are expecting to get out of what's going on for Friday the 12th. Let's see what's going on. Okay, I don't think yeah, on the call side it seems yeah, market makers maybe given that it just gained lost a modest 1.49%, maybe they're not that concerned, but obviously they are getting busy with this open interest we have here. Those these 5 digits open interests we have there. So in the coming days, if it advances towards $7, then that $7 to $7.5, then it might begin to get active for them. Yeah, might begin to get active for them. So those open interests, um, they may have opened, market makers may have opened, sold to open, meaning that their positions will be like puts, and as a result of that, they will be buying the stock. They may be buying the stock. They may have bought the stock, but if the price begins to approach 7.77 dollars or 7.75, then they may begin to sell their positions in the stock. To balance things out. Okay, so we have here as well. It is quite active here on the December 19th series as well. Yeah, quite active here, especially towards that $7, $7 to $8. It might get quite busy for them. Some things might happen, but it's not. I don't think anything crazy is going to happen. On Surely, I bet nothing crazy is going to happen. Nothing crazy will happen, but it's just going to. Well, the stock has just been. If you notice, the stock is not exactly that volatile. So it's just going to. I think they contribute to the lack of huge. Well, it does get volatile sometimes, but the fact that it just keeps trading in single digits, I think market makers contribute to that. They have to do their job to balance out, to curtail any directional risk. So if they sell if they sell options, uh, they have to buy call. They have to buy the stock. If they sell options, then they have to buy the stock. So projections here are saying, beginning with upper projections 8.44, 7.95, 7.14, 3.30, 1.79, 0.7662. The downtrend is expected to remain in place, or rather, the contraction may expected to remain in place, but before then, it might get volatile. But maybe rejected by maybe Tuesday, the 23rd. Okay. BEAT up 66.36%, 267 million shares across the tape. Is it a case of one of those low floats? Let's see. We beginners. Let's see what we have. Are we going to see anything? I doubt if we are going to see anything here. BEAT. BEAT. Okay, so the FDA has granted a 510K clearance for its 12-leader electrocardiogram, or ECG synthesis software for use at home or anywhere to assess arrhythmia. Okay, BAT. Okay, just got a bounce from Wednesday the 26th, and has held it. The algos, the extrapolation saying that it might even hold it further up till the 23rd of December. Then after that, there might be a contraction. So it's just going to be a distributive contraction. That is what is expected from expected that might play out in the coming days. Projections are saying 1.19, 1.09, but it has 1.79, 1.91, 1.91, 1.99 as of the 12th of November, even as high as 1.75, 2.46, 2.79, $3 as of the 21st of October. NVDA 158 million shares crossed the tape below average, down 1.62%. We have a position in NVIDIA, not a lot, but it's important that you know that. So, um, how active are they getting on the options pit? Oh my goodness, look at this. Yeah, you can see why the stock trades a trades huge volumes. You can see that option makers are forced to do things. They are forced to do things. Yeah, 125 million open interests, especially on the call side. So there will be so what this means is that market makers will sell put calls to open, and then when they do that, they will buy the stock. Yeah, they'll buy the stock to neutralize the directional risk. Okay, yeah, they sell to open, then they have to buy the stock. Then, as the stock continues to advance towards these sort of positions, if the stock continues, if the price continues to advance towards 185, you may find out that they may begin to short the stock to balance this, to neutralize, to provide liquidity and then a support, yeah, on the in the market, and also for their positions as well. Nvidia underlying trend strongly bullish. Okay, sideways distributive contraction is expected to play out at least up till the 8th of January. Okay, and the 40-day moving average is also declining to prevent any expansion. Okay, projections are saying the highest we have right now is 197.20, 193.17. Indeed, it has as high as 227.81 as of the 13th of November. IRBT. Okay, IRBT up for 6.46%, 128 million shares across the tape. Heavily shorted stock as well. Let's see what's going on its December 19 series. Yeah, we see. Yeah, these they've been market makers may have been forced to do things, but they may have done so. Yeah, they may have this. Okay, it gained 1.62. So before now, it was at $4 and some fraction. So they may have been forced to sell some of their positions here. Yeah, especially here, they may have been forced to sell a couple of shares to cool off the market. Yeah, maybe that's why it probably didn't advance beyond what it did. But I don't think here there's anything here that's really going to worry them that much. They are capable of dealing with what has been going on there. Yeah. Okay, so IRBT underlying trend is bearish. Higher prices expected to keep playing out at least up till the 24th of December. Then after that, a contraction might occur. The 40-day moving average is also expected to keep rising to moderate any contraction. So the stock is expected to trade within this space in the coming days, at least up till the second half of January. After that, it might either continue to the downside with more freedom, or reverse it. But this is just an extrapolation. It may do something. It may just defy all of these extrapolations and go on and continue to print higher prices. Projections are saying 4.56, 4.72, 5.28. I surely we have seen there are higher projections, 7.31, 6.7, and even possibly higher as well. Momentum is expected to continue to contract, going all the way towards the middle, towards the second half of January. WBD up 4.39%. Okay, let's see what we have. Higher prices are expected to keep printing up to the 19th of December. Then after that, some contraction. Let's see whether there's any news. Warner Bros. Discovery is in a bidding war with Paramount Skydance. We know that already. David Ellison, CEO of Paramount and son of billionaire Larry Ellison, is pursuing a hostile takeover bid for what? Okay, okay, yeah, we know that already. But we didn't know. I didn't know about David Ellison being CEO, but of course everybody probably knows. So Trump proposed that CNN be sold, either with its parent company Warner Bros. Okay, Discovery or Warner Bros. Okay, yeah, or on its own. During a press briefing at the White House, Trump says CNN should be sold as part of any mega deal. Okay, investors bet that a higher bid for Warner is coming. Okay, Paramount sends a letter to Warner Bros. Shareholders saying their offer is superior. Warner Bros. Discovery executive sale of 14,000 shares. If it's a lock, sells 14,122. Okay, yeah, yeah. Let's see how all of these go. So see what you make of these stocks, and thank you very much for watching this video.